everyone to another video, and today I'm going to be doing another Lego video. And as you can see here, I'm here with my little brother, by the way. Say hello.
Hi.
Anyway, today we're going to be unboxing, but actually first we're going to be doing two videos, so look out for the other one. So this first one is an unboxing set. So here I've got the Lego Nintendo Entertainment System. It's for it's box set 71374, 2,646 pieces, and sorry, that's my brother. He made this little set too. Anyway, so yeah, it's like that, and it's a Lego Nintendo Entertainment System. So as you can see, it's a big TV. It's life size, and there's this big console here, and there's a game cartridge and a controller. And then if you turn it down to the back here, there's all the Lego features. So you use this Lego crank. It's like a little Lego crank there. You see that? Anyway, and then the game cartridge goes inside the Nintendo Entertainment System. It's basically like the one that you know in real life. And it has all these nice features in the bottom. So yeah, let's go do the unboxing. So you ready, Jude? Let's go. Okay, let's open it up. Dude, stop it. Stop dancing. Sorry, my brother likes to do a funky dance, man. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Oh. It's got box number 10. Oh, dude. Number 19. Number 13. Number 12. Box number 12. Box number 15. Box number 11, box number 21, box number 8,
How many
box
are
number 20.
there?
I know, dude, this is a lot.
How many are there?
I don't know. Box number 17.
It will help you.
Another box number 10. Box number 20. What's this one say, Jude?
Box number 8.
No, yeah, box number 18. Box number 9.
Box number 9.
Box number 16.
Box number 16.
Box number 16, another one. And box number 14. Okay, they're actually bags, but I'll just call them boxes. So that's basically the big box. And then there's a smaller box here that we're gonna open. Jude, don't do that. I know Jude built this little Lego set here. It's quite cool. You can also get yours on Lego.com, but oh no, where are the scissors? Oh no.
Get mine for free.
Okay, so I opened this box here. Let me just clear all the bags. One dropped. Don't worry, I'll pick them up later. Anyway, so this box. Okay, I'll just pick it up later. Anyway, in this box, we have got, I'm gonna say bags now. Bag number 4, bag number 7, bag number 1. Finally, the first bag, even after the other bags. Where's this one? Bag number 5, bag number 7, bag number 2, bag number 6. Special wad. I'm actually gonna put it over here. Okay. And bag number 3. And some base plates.
Ooh, this is the one I like.
Okay. Bag number 7. Oh, there's a Nintendo logo on it. Okay, sure, you can only play with it. And lastly, I think, never mind. Lastly, the instructions. Dude, look how thick this is. That means are 2 books. And let me just check. There's nothing inside. So, good lord, hold on. I'm just gonna show you all in the sorted algorithm. I don't know. So this is the format for the all the sets. So here, I'll go pick it up and show you. So just screen here. This is it. And the instruction book's on top of the basket, but that's it. And Jude's holding the base plate. So yeah. So everyone, thank you for watching this video, and this will be a second video to the entertainment system where I show you the finished product. And then, so just go head over to that video right now. But thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you in the other video. Bye.